We're going to Hollywood today.
Good people, welcome. Today we're downtown off 26th and Walnut. We're with Intensive Drilling.
We're doing open trenching for Verizon. We place layers. First, the original dirt that we take out of the ground. Then we place a cap of a road base to make it solid. And then with the Easy Street on top, seals it. It's a good product. It helps us out in any weather. It holds up real good. We haven't had any issues with it. Rain, snow, thunderstorms, tornadoes, you name it. It's just made right, you know? It is not a real oily product. But I forgot what product we've used before. It seems like in the wintertime, there's freezes. So it's real hard to get apart. And with Easy Street, we haven't had that issue. You know, it'll be real simple. Stick your shovel in and you're able to rip it apart. We use Easy Street for patching potholes. We also do drilling. So that requires us to open bore pits, an exit pit for our machines to hook up pipe and all that. Once we're done, we got to set a layer of that Easy Street to get the job done right, you know? After we're done trenching, we have to put a layer of the Easy Street just to make it safe for cars to drive over. And then to prevent anyone from tripping or falling. You know, downtown's real busy with the foot traffic. People like to walk over it. But as soon as we place this down, once we compact it all good, there's no issues. This trench is ready to drive on. Thanks, Easy Street.